Alright, so that's the beginning of N.I.B by Black Sabbath. So we're going to have this power chord here on the E, and we go to the D power chord. We have E, E, D, E, and that's G to F sharp. That's down a string, 10th fret to 9th fret. You could also do that up here if you want to stay on the big string. He does that a lot. Be 15 to 14. So either way, so it's 3, 4. So that second time, you're going to bend the 14 on the G to the 12 with some vibrato. So we'll do those two together. 3 and 4 and... Okay, so that's like a slide 10 to 12 on the big E, and a trill 12 and 14 on the A. Okay, so these are all blocked off into different kind of parts, different letters I'm calling them. So the first one is part A. Okay, so that's part A. Here's part B. So part B has the trill, and then part C. That's where you hit the 12s. You could hit like the G and B string 12s, or all three of those with the D string included. And that's when the verse starts. So the verse starts with the... And then part B with the trill, and then back to part C. Okay, then part D just ends like that. Okay, then we get into the new riff. So we're just going to do this 3 times. So quick hammer, 10 to 12 on the E. And then 10 to 12 on the A. And then pull off, 12, 12 on the big E. So 3, 4. And then we're going to go... So 2 unison bends, that's 12 on the second string, bending the 14 on the G string. Okay, then we're back into part A. Okay, that's a lead in to the next verse. So that next verse is going to be the same thing. It's going to do the C riff with the, and then the one with the, back to the C riff, and the D riff, just basic. Okay, now we have the chorus. We're going to hold this E, 2, 3, 4, and 1 to the 10 there, the 8, the 7, back to 12, 12, 10, 10, 8, 8, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7. Okay, then we're back into riff A, which had the riff B, which had the, and then a new verse starts, same type of stuff. We got part C, part B, part C, part D, and then we're back into the. Okay, now we're into the solo. Real cool stuff here. We got. Okay, so we're going to start with this 5 on the D string. And then we have a hammer-on pull-off, 4, 5, 4 to the 7 on the A. So we got... And then we go back to the 5. Same riff again, so it's same thing twice. Then we have 4 to 5 to finish that measure. So this measure is... Now the new measure is going to go 7 on the D to 4, 4 on the G. 4 to 7 slide with an extra 7. So it's... And then we're going to go 7 to 9, hammer with an extra 9. 3 bends on that 9. And then a 7, 9, 7 hammer on pull off. 1 more 7 into a fast riff at a new measure. So this whole thing was... Okay, now the new thing. So, quick hammer, 2 more 9s. Hammer again, 8 on the second. 10 to 8 to 9. 8 to 10. So let's look at this. We got. Okay, so that's going to be up and down to the 10. To the 8, 10 to 9 over here. So it's. So the second time we didn't go to that 9, we went to the 8. Then we're going to have another 10 up and down. So we had a 10, 8, 10, 10. And we have a little kind of a trill there. Kind of slide up on that one. So this whole thing again, we got. Okay, here we kind of have a little bit of a rest. We go 1. So we come in after the 1. 1. And that's our same 5, hammer on, pull off to the 7. So 1. This is a little different. 4, 5, 7 to 4 in the G. 2 4s there, so it's rest. Okay, so that's going to be 4, 4, 4, 7, 7, 9, 9. 9, 12, 12, 12, 14, bend the 14. So this is rest. Okay, then we're going to have a. So 12, 12, 12, little 1, bend the 15, up and down. And then we're going to get into a. So 4 sets of that pull off thing, 15, 12 to 12. Bend that 1 and then. So. Check out the downloadable tabs on this, free downloadable tabs that we're gonna have. So bend, 12, pull off, bend 14, 12, 15, bend, bend, come down, and then. So 14, hammer on, pull off, 14, 12, up and down to the 12. Okay, so this whole lead again was. You're back into the A riff, the B riff, you got another verse, you got another chorus. That's that chorus thing. And you have another A, B riff, another verse, we got the. And then you start out with that same. And then the lead just goes differently, so I didn't work on that one. That's just going to be like your all your E minor pentatonic stuff. Okay, so that was N.I.B by Black Sabbath. Hope you dug it. 2 pages of tabs. Talk to y'all soon. Peace out.